blows up. Oh. I think we go faster.
Do I go?
We're gonna find out up here in a minute, aren't we? I think we can drive through this.
What?
Holy bacon.
Dad, what if the car blows up?
Oh, we're dead. Just keep driving. Not too fast, but we'll be okay.
Dad, this is insane.
I know. We don't want to get trapped in here. Easy, easy. All right, we're good. Slow down. There's a big rut here. Just slow down. We're out of that fire.
I'm not out of it yet, Dad. Oh my God.
All right, we're good. Slow down. Slow
Dad,
down.
no.
Yes, we're out.
We're not out.
We're good, though.
What? Dad.
Easy.
Oh my God.
Keep going. Go. Easy. Easy. Can't see. Just go easy now. Easy.
Dad, the car's heating up. It's gonna explode.
No, it isn't. We're all right.
Oh, Jesus, God, help us.
We're all right. Slow it down. Okay, slow it down so we can see, Jess.
Dad, what if a tree falls on us?
We're okay. Slow it
Please,
down.
God, help us.
You're doing good.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Dad, we can't get out.
I'm getting out. You can't drive back. We get that out of the road. We get gloves.
Oh my God.
Stop.
Dad, we gotta get out of here.
Back it up.
Dad, we gotta get out of here.
All right, back up. Watch your hair. Back up. Easy. Can't see. Just go easy now. Easy.
Dad, the car's heating up. It's gonna explode.